We're shooting my Geo 3.1. We're going to be using the shaft 4 barrel, and we're also going to be using this barrel. So we're just going to kind of see how they sound, if they sound different. Alright, so that's the shaft barrel. I think it shoots really accurate, and 6.89, so I don't know. I prefer to be a little tighter matched on my paint. A lot of it's preference, some of it is just wanting a little bit tighter grouping. But for me personally, I like a smaller bore size. This is the 6.84 dye carbon boomstick. So let's see how this thing sounds too. I think the paint is bored a little large. It's just regular paint from a large store like Walmart, so it's not really bored small, but it still comes out pretty well. There is some variation though. And it's all of them. So thanks for watching and checking out the variation in sound. Thank you.